Now I present to you the 8-week training program for beginner runners. Unless you have any health concerns or morbid obesity, you should not have much difficulty following it. The program is designed such that you get plenty of rest days and days for cross-training, which will ensure that your body can cope with the stress of running. The salient points of the 8-week training program are the following. Rest days. Mondays and Fridays are your rest days. Rest days help you train better and recuperate for the next day. They are important and must be taken seriously. You can include strength training on your rest days. Running days. You get 3 easy running days. These are Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Sunday is the day of long run. Tuesdays and Thursdays are also good for stretching and strength training. This will help your muscles recover and unstress. Stretching is also important to keep your muscles loose. Cross-training days. Wednesdays and Saturdays are marked as your cross-training days. On cross-training days, you can do any mild activity other than running to engage different muscle groups. Cross-training could be rope skipping, swimming, cycling, or any form of aerobic exercise that has the potential to make you sweat or take your heartbeat to 120 beats a minute or higher. Remember, cross-training days are easy days and one must not try too hard. Long run days. Sunday is the day of the long run. Being a holiday, it suits everybody. This is the day that gives dedication to your training, where we sequentially increase distance every week to let your body and mind cope up with the challenge and ensure that it does not break down. The objective of the Sunday run is to help you adapt to longer distances. I want to include an important note about walking versus running. At any time in any of the training runs, if you feel tired or fatigued, you are allowed to walk to regain your breath. You could substitute walking for running until you feel completely better to run the full distance. You can start running again as you gain breath. However, as your body adapts to running, you must sequentially reduce the time required to walk and increase the running part of your program. This training schedule is a guide. You can adjust it in terms of changing days to suit your schedule.